So here you have a few pieces of these new free cut LED strips. Here you can see it gets illuminated right to the end, and even these small ones still light up properly. And here you can see how it works. I put away the silicone, and now you can see that there are blue LEDs underneath. So the phosphorus is embedded in this silicone cover. White and blue. Okay, this is the part with the phosphorus removed that I just lit up in the previous cut, and you can see a copper trace here, an LED on the left side, a resistor at the center, and another LED here. What is important to say is that the LEDs light up very faintly at about 10 volt applied, meaning that both of the LEDs have a forward voltage of about 5 volt, and that hints to the idea that both of the LEDs actually have two dyes in them, each with a forward voltage of about 2.5 volt, which figures for white LEDs or blue LEDs at a very small current. So here are some dimensions. The whole assembly is about 1.8 millimeter wide. The resistor itself is about 0.28 millimeters wide, and one assembly to the next. Here's the pads from the previous LED. It's about 3.75 millimeters apart. So even if you cut this one at the worst possible place, then you will have at a maximum 3.7 millimeters which are not lit from the end. So some even bigger close-ups here. Current path through this LED, resistor, another LED, and as you see it, this assembly here in this state, it still lights up, it still works, even if I scratched it pretty bad. So here I put some markings on it. This one is the current path through the LED. Here's the resistor, and here you have another LED. Thanks for listening to my talk.